welcome back to the Beginner's Bar. I'm Scott. It's time for us to make a Sidecar. Sidecar is a Prohibition-era cocktail. It has been called the one good drink that comes out of Prohibition. There's some debate about that, but essentially what we need right here, as you can see, it's a Cognac sour. So we're using a Cognac, some simple syrup, which I need to refill probably over this weekend, and a lime. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and take this. Oh, and by the way, we are going to drink it in this Nick and Nora. By the way, all products that I use here, aside from whatever might have been from a discount food store or what have you, will be in the description down below. And they were all Amazon affiliate links, so thanks if you decide to make a purchase. Alright, first things first, I'm going to take my lime, I'm going to take my lemon, and I'm going to slice it in half. I'll go ahead and move one over to a napkin and take out a couple of seeds as well, just so I don't have to worry about it. Outstanding. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rim this glass with a sugared rim. So how to do that? Take the cut open lemon and just lightly bring about the edge of the glass to meet. And always use citrus when you do. Reason being is that it forms a very sticky layer and will allow the sugar to adhere to the lip. That looks pretty good to me. Alright, gonna move that there. Now this is just white sugar in this paper plate, and I'm just going to press and roll slightly the rim that has been treated with a little bit of lemon juice and coat the rim. Not my best, but that's why I'm a beginner. Don't need that anymore. And now I'm just going to put this off to the side. Now, take my juicer, take my lemon, and I'm going to use the short part of the lemon first. Move this over to here. Here's my jigger. It is a Leopold style. It is a 1 ounce and 2 ounce. And I want 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Go ahead and give her a squeeze. Wow. That's impressive. Yeah, for those of you in the metric world, this would be approximately 22 milliliters. So, just have that in mind. Go ahead and grab your shaker. Short tin. 3/4 of an ounce. Lemon juice. Round one. Fight! Take another. Back in. Simple syrup. Again, same. 3/4 of an ounce. Dang. Note to self: refill before you begin again. Another 3/4 ounce. Wash that out. Make a new batch tomorrow night. Now Cognac. This is going to become 2 parts Cognac to 1 part each of lemon juice and simple syrup. Okay, one thing I do is go over the top. That way, anything that's left over goes right into the tin. Place that in, and it's a little bit more than 1.5 ounces, but not bad. 1.5 ounces, maybe a little bit more, into the short tin. Go ahead and replace cork. Clean up your workspace. That's actually a good idea for any beginning home bartender or beginning home mixologist. And now to grab some ice and shake this thing up. Now, when you add ice to a shaken cocktail, what you should do is use the larger tin. This is a Boston shaker. Use large tin. Put in your ice. So I'm going to use 4 cubes of ice, and I'm going to what's known as marry the cocktail into the ice. Give a little pop. Now, one trick, especially for beginners, is start slow when you shake with a Boston shaker, especially a double metal design. Reason is it will contract the metal to make a good seal before you really go crazy on it. Okay? I like to go about 5-6 seconds before making sure it's really there and now going crazy. Now to break this, there are two things you can do. Squeeze both parts if you can, neutralize the pressure, and it pops open. Or you can side smack around the open areas, force area in, and open it up. Everything's already set. I'm going to grab myself a Hawthorne strainer. Take your coupe, or your Nick and Nora, or whatever you're going to serve it in, and strain it. It's going to be interesting because I'm not left-handed. Make sure. And that's all. This is a Sidecar. Let's give it a taste. Tasty. If you liked the video, please give it a like, and for more in the Beginner's Bar, subscribe. I'll see you next time.